So I know you've seen something like this on my wall and you are wondering how I achieved this. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to split your flyer designs into 4 places like this before posting them online. So this was the one I did earlier, and this is it. I split it into 4 parts, which is this, and the two of this. So if you click on this, and post on Facebook, this is what you will get. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if you click on done, this is how it appears. So I'm going to show you how to split your flyer design like this before posting it online. And for Facebook, the only size that works on Facebook is square. So you must ensure that your flyer is square before you can split it into 4 parts and post on Facebook, so it will balance. So now let's get started. The first thing I did, I'll open my Canva. So we'll be doing this using Canva. Once you open your Canva app, this is how it looks like. Now let's select a square flyer design. Now I'll click on this. So here are a few of my design. So I'll have to click a flyer that is square. This is a sample. Yes. Let's click on this and then click on add. So you have to wait for it to load. So once it loads like this, you click on use in a new design, and then your flyer design will appear like this. So once you open your flyer design like this, you scroll until you see image splitter. Then you click on image splitter. Then click on choose file, and then we will select this particular design. So this is the design. I'll click on it and I'll wait for it to load. So once the design open like this is how it looks like. So you have to scroll up like this. So here you see number of rows and number of columns. So you have to leave it 2 by 2 so that the design is split into 4 parts. Now click on split image. So once you click on split image, you wait for it to load. So here, this is it. The flyer have been split into 4 different parts. Then you scroll up like this until you see save images to upload. So click on save images to upload and then wait for it to load. So after that, you see all images have been saved to upload. Then you scroll until you see upload. This is upload. Then click on it. Then these are the 4 flyers we just splitted now. So you have to save them one after another. So let's start from this. Click on this and then click on download. We've downloaded that. Then click on this second one and do the same thing. So we are done with that. Click on this third one and do the same thing as well. Then click on this last one and also do the same thing. So now we are done. Then let me go to my gallery and show you the design. So open your gallery and click on Canva. So this is what we've gotten. So if you want to post this flyer online, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So go back, click on this, and this. Then share to Facebook. So this is what we've gotten. So you can post your flyer like this and it will appear like this. So try this out and let me know if it works for you. I'll see you on the next one. From the first sketch to the last refine, trust you, but we see the stars align.